Meaning of Henry Morton Stanley.
Henry Morton Stanley.
Henry Morton Stanley.
Henry Morton Stanley.
Henry Morton Stanley. Henry Morton Stanley was a Welsh-American journalist, explorer, and adventurer who was best known for his exploration and mapping of Central Africa. He is famous for his search for the missionary David Livingstone, during which he reportedly greeted him with the words, "Dr. Livingstone, I presume?" Stanley's expeditions helped to open up Africa to European exploration, colonization, and trade, but also had a significant impact on the people and societies of the region. His legacy, which includes numerous books and articles about his adventures, continues to be a subject of debate and controversy to this day.